How to turn on spell check on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to turn on the spell check on Android phone, what you need to do is tap on the settings of your device. As you tap on the settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings over here. After that, you all have to do is tap on languages and input over here and scroll down, and here you can find the option of additional keyboard settings, and under that segment you can see the option of spell checker. So tap on spell checker and here you can just toggle on this option, and as you turn on the spell checker you can select the languages that you want to use for it, and also you can select on default spell checker, which is a Gboard spell checker. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.